Hello guys, this is Arindam here and I'm back with another video. I hope all of you are safe in this uncertain times. So directly let's jump into the video. This is about what could be the price of the FIFA World Cup tickets in Russia. So I had previously made a video that was more like a research kind of thing, like how you can calculate what could be the uh, prices, but this is more concrete in the sense that I have calculated what could be the probable price, and I'm giving you the final result of what uh, from the calculation I have done. So basically, if you look at previous years of previous prices of previous years, so you'll get a chart like this. Both in Russia, Brazil, and also South Africa, they had a chart like this where they gave the price of various categories of matches and the different types of matches. So basically I'll just explain this a little bit. So the category 1 is basically the best possible seats available in the stadium, that is probably the television view that we see, or the seats are somewhere near the press box or just opposite to the press box, so it's a television kind of view. The second category is the corner seats, is the four corners of the stadium, and the third category is behind the goal post, and the fourth category is behind the goal post but right on top. So, and the fourth category is usually reserved for the nationals of the citizens of the host country. So over here I have not put any prices because it will be the prices will be shared to you probably in Qatari Riyals. So I'm not going to go in that because it's only for Qatar citizens and not very relevant to people who are going to watch the matches from outside, who are citizens from other countries. So these prices are all in dollars. So this is it. And what I have done in over here is that I have made another table over here which basically shows the price in local currency, because that is more relevant to most of us, isn't it? Because the prices in dollars can be something, but the dollar exchange rate for us, for example Indians, would matter, would be the most important thing at the end, right? So today's dollar prices are 76. So let's, over here I have put 75, so you can change this, right? So I have made this Excel right like this. So if whatever the rate of the present day would be, if I change it to 76, the numbers will update itself. So you can do that and see what could be the expected prices of the matches you want to see and the categories. So I think it could be a little bit helpful for you. And when the real prices are actually announced, maybe from 2 years from now, or 1.5 years from now, what you can do is you can change this number over here. Let's say it was written 610, so I'll just change it to 605, maybe that would be the original thing, and it will update itself. So you can get a direct conversion of what to your local currency, and whatever your local currency is, maybe it is euro, or it could be Pakistani rupees, it could be Bangladeshi taka, or anything. So whatever you can just edit this cell over here and the final price will be updated. So what you can do right now is take a screenshot of this, or I'll put a email address in the description. You can just drop me an email and I will definitely send you this Excel sheet without failure. It may take some time, but I'll definitely send it to you, so you can do that. One thing that I want to mention here is that these prices that I have mentioned here are no way the original prices. The original prices will be announced probably in 2021 or early 2022, but this is probably the closest possible prices that I have come up with, with a prediction method that I had actually explained in the previous video regarding the same topic. So if you want to know how I came to this this particular numbers, you can have a look at that video. That will give you an idea, and I hope this is helpful for you guys. If you like this video, share it, like it, and please subscribe the channel. I'll try to post more useful videos like this in the future. Thanks.